Before we start to project a point, I would like to recall the 4 quadrants from orthographic projection. Remember, the horizontal plane is always rotated clockwise after projecting the object, making HP and VP of first quadrant and third quadrant to open, and the front view projection and top view projection lies in different planes, whereas HP and VP of second quadrant and fourth quadrant closes each other and both front view and top view lies together in same plane. Here I have 7 points A to G to be projected by placing it in any of the 4 quadrants. Let's project it one by one. Point A is placed 10 mm in front of VP and 25 mm above HP. When point A is viewed from front view, point A is projected to VP at a distance of 25 mm from XY line, and when the point A is viewed from top view, point A is projected to HP at a distance of 10 mm from XY line. We name front view of point A as A dash and top view of A as A, both in lowercase. Now I have drawn a common XY line for all the points and drawn the projection of point A by rotating the horizontal plane clockwise. Next, point B is placed 15 mm behind VP and 35 mm below HP, which is third quadrant. Since the reference plane is between the observer and the point B, we obtain the front view B dash 35 mm below XY line. When it is viewed from top view, the point B is projected in horizontal plane at a distance of 15 mm from XY line. When the horizontal plane is rotated clockwise, the point B is obtained above the XY line at a distance of 15 mm. I am maintaining a constant distance of 25 mm between each projectors. Point C is 40 mm below HP and it lies in vertical plane. When point C is viewed from front view, the projection is obtained below XY line at a distance of 40 mm. Since point C lies in vertical plane itself, when we view from top view, we obtain the top view in XY line. Next, point D is placed 30 mm in front of VP and it lies in HP itself. When it is viewed from front view, point D is projected to XY line and we obtain front view D dash in XY line itself. When it is viewed from top view, point D is obtained in horizontal plane at a distance of 30 mm from XY line. When horizontal plane is rotated clockwise, we obtain the top view below XY line at a distance of 30 mm. Next, point E is placed in both HP and VP, that is in XY line. In this case, in both front view and top view, we obtain the projection in XY line itself. Point F is placed 30 mm behind VP and 20 mm above HP, that is in second quadrant. Since we have the reference plane VP in between the observer and the point F in second quadrant, we obtain the front view F dash in VP at a distance of 20 mm above XY line. When point F is viewed from top view, we obtain the projection in horizontal plane at a distance of 30 mm. When the horizontal plane is rotated clockwise, we obtain the top view projection at a distance of 30 mm above the XY line. Point G is kept 10 mm in front of VP and 10 mm below HP, that is fourth quadrant. When point G is viewed from front view, we obtain the front view G dash at a distance of 10 mm below XY line. When it is viewed from top view, we obtain the projection in horizontal plane at a distance of 10 mm from XY line. When the horizontal plane is rotated clockwise, we obtain the top view projection G at a distance of 10 mm below XY line. So in this case, both front view and top view lies 10 mm below XY line.